tired of baggy eyes every morning and just hate those dark circles which make our face look pale? Today, we'll find out why exactly do we get those black circles and how we can get rid of them. The under eye skin is one of the thinnest and most delicate areas of the skin in the human body. The finely textured dermis or epidermis has no oil glands and is more susceptible to dark circles, rings or shadows. They become very noticeable because the lower eyelid skin is very thin, which highlight the subdermal regions of our face. While dark circles are usually harmless, but they could also be an indicator of some underlying health issues. Dark circles can suggest issues from deficiency in your kidneys to unhealthy sugar levels in your bloodstream. Some root causes of dark circles. Lack of sleep. This is the most common reason for having dark circles under your eyes. Our body is designed in a way to repair our skin while we are in deep sleep. During this phase of our sleep cycle, blood circulation is focused on the tissues and cells of our skin to give a fresher and healthier look. Not getting enough sleep stresses our body systems. When stress is increased, the steroidal compounds produced by the body reduce circulation to the skin and reroutes it to the muscles and other major organs. This sluggish circulation and the buildup of deoxygenated blood can make eye circles more noticeable. Aging. Natural phenomena of aging can lead to people getting prominent dark circles. As we get older, our skin becomes thinner and due to loss of fat and collagen, we lose our skin's elasticity. Due to this, the dark blood vessels under the eyes become more visible, causing the area below our eyes to darken. Genetics. If your parents have dark circles, then you are predisposed to having dark circles as well. People belonging to melanin-rich genetic groups also have a much stronger chance of having darkness under the eye area. Latin, African, Indian and many other indigenous people may experience more darkness in the periorbital eye area due to the skin containing more pigment. Poor circulation. Since the skin under our eyes is very weak and thin, it is possible that the darkness you see under the eyes may actually be blood which is low in oxygen flowing in that area. Fully oxygenated blood is red, but arteries that carry blood are generally located further into the body. Capillaries carrying spent, oxygen-depleted blood are often closer to the surface of the skin. When the oxygen has been delivered to the cells, the blood is depleted and it turns bluish in color. Because the veins and capillaries carrying blue-hued deoxygenated blood are also close to the surface in an area where the skin is a major reason, the under eye area will often have darkened appearance. Capillaries in the under eye area can also become leaky, allowing red blood cells out into the surrounding tissues. Enzymes in the body break down these blood cells and their hemoglobin. When hemoglobin is decomposed, it has a dark blue-black color, discoloring the thin skin in that area. Allergies. Allergic reactions and eye dryness can trigger dark circles. When we have an allergic reaction, our body releases histamines as a response to the harmful bacteria. Histamines can cause our blood vessels to dilate and become more visible beneath our skin. Allergies could also increase the urge to rub or scratch the itchy skin around our eyes, which can worsen our symptoms and can cause inflammation, swelling and broken blood vessels. All of this leads to us having dark circles underneath our eyes. Over sun exposure. Overexposure to the sun can cause your body to produce an excess of melanin, the pigment that provides your skin with color. Too much sun, particularly for your eyes, can cause pigmentation in the surrounding skin to darken. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption increases the workload on the liver and decreases blood oxygenation because alcohol literally replaces oxygen in the blood, causing the intoxicating effect. Alcohol is a vasodilator as well, meaning it can cause blood vessels to open further, which can cause a swollen, puffy appearance and increase visibility of bluish color in the under eye skin. These are some of the reasons why we get dark circles. The next question which we'll be answering today is how to get rid of them. Ways to prevent dark circles. Healthy sleep. Make sure you have a healthy sleep cycle and sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every day. Cold compress. Dilated blood vessels can darken the area under the eyes. A cold compress should constrict blood vessels and lessen the dark circles. Cucumbers. Placing chilled thick slices of cucumbers on your dark circles for about 10 minutes and rinsing the area with water afterwards should do the trick. It is a very relaxing way to get rid of your dark circles. Almond oil and vitamin E. Mixing equal amounts of almond oil and vitamin E, massaging your dark circles with it before you go to bed can make your dark circles disappear. Rinse the area with cold water once you wake up for even better results. Tea bags. Caffeine, which is found in tea, is an antioxidant which can help reduce fluid retention in puffy eyes by temporarily constricting blood vessels. Soak 2 tea bags in warm water and then refrigerate it for a few minutes. Place each bag on your eyes and after about 5 to 7 minutes remove the bags and wash the area with cold water. So if you ever have dark circles, now you know what to do. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Explified. Also, go and press the bell icon. Bye!